Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super important in math, and these are called the properties of addition. These are very little rules that always work, no matter what numbers you're adding, and once you know them, math gets even way easier. Let's dive in. There are 4 properties you need to know. They are commutative, associative, identity, and finally the additive inverse property. But first, you might be asking, what is property? A property is a rule in math that is always true, no matter what numbers you use. It helps you understand how numbers work. The first property you'll be learning today is called the commutative property. It says that you can switch the order of addends. In other words, the numbers you're adding, and the sum stays the same. For example, 7 plus 3 equals 3 plus 7. Alright, here's another example. 10 plus 12 equals 12 plus 10. In the first example, notice how the addends switched places from the first to the second example. 7 plus 3. Instead of 7 coming first, 3 came first. 3 plus 7. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Either way you change the addends, the sum stays the same. This applies to the second example as well. So it doesn't matter which number comes first. If you add the same two numbers, you always get the same answer. Either way, the total is the same. The second property you'll be learning is called the associative property. It says you can group numbers differently and the sum stays the same. The example I'm going to be giving you is 4 plus 6 in parentheses plus 2 equals 4 plus, in parentheses, 6 plus 2. The parentheses show which numbers you add first, but the total doesn't change. You can switch the addends in different groups and still have the same sum. It's like rearranging friends in a group. No matter who stands together, you still have the same number of people. The third property you'll be learning is called the identity property. It says adding 0 to any number does not change the sum. For example, 12 plus 0 equals 12. Or, in the second example, 91 plus 0 equals 91. 0 in this case does not do anything, so it doesn't change anything. 12 plus 0 equals 12, and 91 plus 0 equals 91. The last property you'll be learning today is called Additive Inverse Property. This is usually taught in middle school, so if you're not there yet, you might not fully grasp it yet, and that's okay. It says a number plus its opposite equals 0. Here's an example. 5 plus, in parentheses, negative 5 equals 0. Opposites cancel each other out. It's like taking 5 steps forward and 5 steps back. You end up right where you started. 0. Nice work. You just learned the 4 big properties of addition. And these rules help you solve problems faster and understand how numbers work together. If you want to learn the properties for multiplication, subtraction, or division, check out the rest of the playlist below. Very nice work today. And before you go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new update. And as always, stay tuned.